Do not tell me, do not tell yourself, do not tell your leaders, do not tell your family, your dreams cannot be met.
Personally sold 21 cases from January to June 2026, and last year, 14 cases from August to November lang using his approach. Multiple policies with one client. Now, his team is 100% focused on promoting the Guaranteed Comprehensive Program. 2026 MDRT Qualifier, 2026 UM Premier Leader, please welcome the pilot of AIR SF Invictus Life Planners, Unit Manager James Velasquez.
Do you see the mindset that is going to become MDRT in the next 6 months?
Ay, malayo pa.
Kasi
Gusto mo talaga. Gusto mo talaga.
Yes.
Okay. It was around this time last year where I decided I would go for MDRT. At that time, I was part of the ACES for Malaysia. It was kind of difficult because I was trying to recruit, I was trying to
As a leader.
motivate people as a leader. At the same time, I had this ambition that I think this is the right time for me to become MDRT. If you have that kind of mindset right now, I think you need to stop asking yourself, can I qualify? I think it is not the right time to start asking, what do I need to do to deserve to become MDRT? Your identity determines your result. And so therefore, MDRT isn't recovered by hard work. It is actually recovered by raising your standard every single day. And as parting shot, have you watched the movie Pearl Harbor? When Japan invaded Hawaii, bombed Hawaii. Yes, at that time, the President of the United States was Franklin Roosevelt. And there was a scene there when he asked his military leaders if there is something can be done to bomb Japan the way they bombed the US. And the military said, the military officials, there's nothing can be done. And Franklin Roosevelt struggled to stand up and said, do not tell me it can't be done. So guys, if you're thinking to become MDRT, do not tell me, do not tell yourself, do not tell your leaders, do not tell your family, your dreams cannot be met.
Do not tell Jonathan, do not tell me that MDRT 300 cannot be achieved.
You can, right?
Yes!